Let me show you how to make these delicious green chili smash black bean beef burgers. We're adding black beans to this burger to reduce the amount of saturated fat while making these burgers extra juicy and scrumptious. First, we'll make our burgers. Gently mix the ground beef, onion, garlic, salt, and chipotle. Pat the black beans dry on a paper towel and crush very lightly with the back of a spoon. Add the black beans to the beef and mix well. Form the mixture into 6 equal loosely packed balls, not patties, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Now we'll make some of our flavorful burger toppings. For the caramelized onions, sauté butter, onions, water, salt, and pepper over high heat and set aside. For the green chili mayonnaise, char green chilies in a dry, hot cast iron skillet. Remove them from the pan and scrape off most of the char with a knife. Remove the seeds and chop roughly. Add the chopped chilies to the mayonnaise with the garlic paste, cilantro, and lime juice. Set aside. Now we're ready to cook our burgers. Heat a cast iron skillet or griddle pan over medium-high heat. Place a small pile of caramelized onions on the griddle. Place a beef ball on top of the onions, flattening the ball evenly with a spatula. Season with salt and pepper and top with more caramelized onions, pressing them with a spatula into the burger patty. Cook for approximately 4 to 5 minutes per side. Top the burger with jack cheese and transfer to a warm oven until the cheese is melted. Slather each bun with the green chili mayonnaise and top the patty with lettuce and avocado slices. Not only does swapping some of the beef with beans reduce the amount of saturated fat and cholesterol, the beans add fiber and give the burgers a perfect texture. Give it a try, and this could become your go-to burger recipe.